In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to humanize AI content in Grammarly, 5 minutes. If you've got AI generated text that sounds a bit robotic, Grammarly can help you shape it into a natural, consistent voice. We'll walk through how to set up a custom voice and use it to make your content sound more human while staying true to your style. First, head to the Grammarly web app and open it in your browser. If you're not already signed in, do that now. Once you're in, create a new document or open the piece of AI generated writing you want to improve. You can paste text directly, upload a file, or use a draft you already have. It's a good idea to keep a copy of the original text somewhere so you can compare before and after. Next, find the Humanizer feature. It typically appears in the toolset where Grammarly suggests rewrites and tone improvements. Click it to start customizing how you want the writing to sound. You'll be asked to add a voice name. Pick a short, descriptive label you'll recognize later, like product explainer, newsletter voice, or executive brief. This helps you quickly apply the right voice to different types of content without guessing. Then add a voice description. This is where you spell out the tone and style you want. Be specific about formality, energy, and clarity. For example, you might say you want a conversational, confident tone with plain language, varied sentence lengths, and minimal jargon. Mention your audience too, whether it's general readers, technical professionals, or customers, so the voice aligns with their expectations. The clearer the description, the better the results. After that, provide 2 or 3 short examples of writing that reflect the voice you're aiming for. Use your own original snippets, just a few sentences each is enough. Choose examples that show the rhythm, vocabulary, and attitude you like. Keep them clean of personal or sensitive information and try to match the topic or domain of the content you're humanizing so the voice feels authentic in context. When your name, description, and examples look good, click Create Voice. Grammarly will build a profile from your inputs and make it available for your document. This usually takes just a moment. From here, the humanizer can draw on your custom voice to smooth out stiffness, adjust tone, and make the writing feel more natural and consistent. That's it. With a clear description and a few strong samples, you'll turn AI generated drafts into content that sounds genuinely human and uniquely yours.